Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate game crashing on PS5. Many users were facing problem while playing the game on their PS5 consoles. So here I am going to show you some best solutions to fix the problem. So first what you have to do is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best and highly suggested method to fix the issue. Simply select power button and then click on restart PS5. Hopefully this resolves the issue. If not, the second method is to rebuild database. So what you have to do is simply switch off your PS5 console and then hold down the power button unless you two beep sound occur. Then leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here you have to connect to DualSense controller through USB and from here select rebuild database. After this, check if you can play the game on your PS5 console. If not, the next method is to check the storage space on console. For that you have to go to the settings on your PS5 and then move down to storage. Click on console storage and then on extended storage. Here you need to check them each by clicking it and then delete save data. Simply go to PS5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data and here select console storage and then tap on delete option. The next method is to change the language on console. This is an effective method suggested by many experts. So simply go to PS5 settings and click on system. Here choose the language option that you can see in the left sidebar and then select your current language. Changing the language to English or any other can help to solve the issue. Next method is to check for game update. The developers often release the updates of the game. So if the game needs any update and you have not updated it, then it can stop you from playing smoothly. So simply check and update the game if there is any available. Next is to check the HDMI connection. Most of the time the HDMI cable is not properly connected on your PS5. So for that you simply check it, and if there is any bug or if it requires any change, then simply change it to get rid of the issue. Next is to check PS5 overheating. While continuously using it, the PS5 may overheat and it may not perform well. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and then you can play the game. Next is to sign out and again sign in to PS5. For that you simply need to go to settings, click on users and accounts. Now go below and click on other option. After that click on sign out option. Once done, wait for some moment and then again log into your PS5 account and then check if the same error occurs. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. So for that you simply open settings on your console, select system, then system software and then system software update and settings option. Here you should select update system software and finally update it via internet option. Next solution is to delete game's save file. So for that open console settings, select saved data option. Here select upload or delete from console storage option. After that select the game and then if you are using PS Plus Cloud, then simply select download or delete from cloud storage and finally select the game you are playing. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, open the PS5 settings, go to System, select Reset Options under System Software. Here, choose Reset Default Settings and finally select Restore option. Next method is to reinstall the game. So for that, simply highlight the game on your PS5 and click on Options and then select Delete and confirm it. At last, restart your PS5 and install the game again to check if the issue is resolved or not. After following the methods, if you still face the same issue, then simply it's time to contact support or take help from them. So I have provided the link in the description for the PlayStation support. Simply click on it and fill all the requirements and take help from them. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching.